Maha Cartoon TV.
Angel's Vanity.
Don't you have a boyfriend?
No, no one wants to be my friend because of my obesity.
Just then, a smart boy came there and was standing near them. Reshma starts looking at him, and Gunjan sees all this.
Hey, don't look at him. That handsome boy can't be your boyfriend. Have you ever seen yourself in the mirror? He's my boyfriend, okay? And I'm leaving now. Huh?
Reshma got very sad to hear the bitter words from her friend's mouth. Reshma sits in front of the mirror in her house and gazes at herself.
I am fat, so what? Only slim people are beautiful in this world. I will also make friend. I will make a boyfriend who will be much more handsome than Gunjan's boyfriend.
Reshma goes to the park. Then a smart boy named Raju comes there and he starts jogging in the park. Reshma gets fascinated by seeing him.
Oh, what a smart guy. This could be the prince of my dreams.
Now Reshma has Raju in her dreams and thoughts. And whenever she remembers him, her heart beats faster.
I don't know why I see him, my breathing becomes faster. If I am fat, then what? I can't even dream.
Now Reshma goes to the park every day and secretly sees Raju jogging. And thus Reshma falls in one-sided love with Raju.
The boy seems to be nice and I think has a clean heart. I don't think he will have any problem with my obesity.
Then one day, Reshma reaches the park and waits for Raju to come.
Today I will definitely tell him about my feelings for him. I believe he will not refuse me.
On seeing Raju in the park, Reshma's heartbeat increases. She believes that Raju is a good guy. But there is also fear in her mind. After that, she goes to him and says,
Hello, my name is Reshma. I have seen you in this park for the last few days. I want to be your friend because you are a good guy.
After hearing all this, Raju got angry and said,
Hey, have you gone mad? Have you ever looked at yourself in the mirror? I can't be friends with a fat girl like you.
What happens if I'm fat? I'm beautiful and I'm pure of heart.
After that, Raju angrily pushes her and left from there.
Come on, move. How did you even think of being friends with me? The maid of my house is better than you.
Because of my fatness, everyone calls me fat and teases me. But you will tell me like this and treat me like this? I couldn't have imagined that. You broke my heart.
Reshma gets very sad due to Raju's words and behavior and reaches the bank of a river.
I don't want to live anymore. Everyone makes fun of me.
Thinking of all this, she starts jumping in the river. Only then, a fairy appears.
Wait, you can't do that.
Why are you stopping me from dying? I don't want to live anymore.
I won't let you die.
But why?
Let me tell you the whole story. You were a fairy and lived in the fairyland by the name of Red Fairy. You were a beautiful angel, but you were very proud of your beauty and you used to make fun of fat fairies.
One day, Fat Fairy is going and Red Fairy teases her.
Hey, fatty. Fatty fairy. Look! You stop making fun of me like this, or else.
After listening to her, Fat Fairy gets very angry.
In anger, you look even fatter. I curse you that you will have to live on earth for 30 years, in which 20 years will have to be spent as a fat. No, this is totally wrong. I had no other way to teach you a lesson. Everyone in this fairy world was unhappy with your behavior, so I had to give such a harsh curse.
Huh? No, I did wrong. I'm ashamed of my actions.
Don't you worry now. Your time is up, and now you will be a beautiful girl.
Reshma becomes a beautiful girl as soon as that fairy says this.
What? I have become beautiful. Wow.
Reshma is happily returning home. Just then, Raju sees her on the way.
Hey, this girl is very beautiful. Why not be friends with her?
Raju walks up to her and tells her,
Hey, excuse me. You are a beautiful girl, and I fell in love with you at first sight. I want to be friends with you. Will you be my friend? I think we will be the best match.
Reshma got angry after hearing this from Raju.
I am that girl whom you rejected her love a while back by calling her fat. You love my beauty, not me. That's why I will never be friends with guys like you.
Raju became very embarrassed to know this, and he apologized to Reshma.
I am sorry. I made a big mistake.
Well, I forgive you because you have realized your mistake.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.